Oh,
Just
well. Dropping all my guns.
He found it for a pistol. Oh my god, lol. Oh my god, lol. Tell me when you find another one. Keep looking.
I could just, like, tape, not my eye, but, like, tape things on the side. You know what I mean? Like, tape it, like, a piece of paper or something.
Tape a piece of paper.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. What does he have?
Hey,
Shroud.
No suppressor, though. I'll just keep it for looks.
Where the fuck I am?
Just in case things get hairy. Intimidation factor. They're using voice changers. What's going on here? We're so dead.
We need to find you a suppressor.
I know. Hopefully it's a sniper suppressor.
Oh shit, I didn't think about that.
Yeah. Oh, guy close. Right in front of us. Other side of the building.
In the building? What? You jumped out.
Where the fuck I am?
Round front.
Yeah. Holy, I had to hit him like 17 times. Pick up a suppressor if he has one.
I don't think he did. Did he? He doesn't. I don't know what we're supposed to do.
Find your suppressor.
Thanks, Mike.
It's
It's gonna be a pistol suppressor. I have a fucking car 98 and AWM.
Standing quick. Never mind.
Never mind.
Anything?
No.
What the hell,
Where's this
dude?
guy's teammate? He's gonna be coming, right? The thing is, you say this is all looted, but we still have to loot it because nobody's gonna pick up what we're looking for. Know what I'm saying?
I do. I do know
Know
what
I'm
you're saying.
saying?
What challenge are they doing? Suppressor challenge?
So if push comes to shove, I can use this arm, right?
No, it's only me that
There's a
can
guy
kill
in this
people.
bush. No suppressor.
Holy fuck, he's got a lot of meds.
I wasn't gonna shoot him right away because I didn't know what the fuck was going on.
Here you go.
You know?
Wait, damn it.
What is it?
Oh, it's nothing.
What do you mean?
No, it wasn't. It wasn't. It was nothing.
Oh, I thought you were about to say, just ignore it. That was like low key. Just don't go. Don't come here.
Alright, keep looting, keep looting, keep looting.
What? Let me keep
Okay,
looting.
they can't go up the stairs.
Shroud's like one of my best
Yeah, I got him. Double smoke, baby.
Alright, keep looting, keep looting, keep looting.
They can definitely go up the stairs. Who's making these rules? Is it like a wall?
There's a wall, that's like CSGO. You don't step through that bitch. Keep looting, keep looting.
Keep going
looting.
up. Do you have more smokes?
Yeah.
Keep smoking every staircase we go up, every floor. This is stupid. This doesn't make any goddamn sense. Keep. Okay, we're at the roof. Well, what do we do now? We fight? Bolt out?
What's our
What are
play
you
here,
doing?
Cotton? Fuck.
Cotton fuck. Gotta kill him, right?
Alright. I'll breach and clear.
Alright, I'll no scope AWM. They're not moving. They came in, they're not moving.
Come out the front. Oh shit.
Oh, the zone. Maybe they just ran. They probably just ran.
We have a car over here.
Oh,
Don't go
they're
way,
holding
don't go-
that door.
Yep. Go out the back. We'll find another way around. What the? It's taken.
Fuck.
Maybe this guy left a
There's another
suppressor
drop.
on his gun. Hold on, that's a win.
There's another drop over there. God!
Guy right in front of us, 125. Should I shoot him from the blue? Hold on, let me get close.
I'm using a drink. I can't even shoot, bro. Can I shoot?
No,
What do you mean, no?
I have to do it. Suppressed only, bro. That's the strat. Where's this man?
I'll help. Oh, I see him. He's running 110. Can I just hit him in the legs? We said
get
suppress
closer.
only kills.
Let's see.
I can hit him in the body, and you could shoot the rest,
Okay,
right?
fine.
I'm gonna 8 times close range.
I'm this fucking
Smart.
guy in the
Yeah,
chest.
I'm
and
gonna
I'll
hit him in
pistol.
his little butt. Oh, he has a sniper suppressor. No way.
Okay, maybe let me deal with him.
He has a fucking sniper suppressor.
Where is he?
I don't know. He kept running in this little fucking gulch.
Oh, zone.
I'm getting shot at. I see him. Mike, he's in this dip down here, 165.
Yeah, I'm about to be above him. I'm about to fucking lay him
I'm
down.
gonna try to hit him.
Call
and
me
you're
the
gonna take him
Rock, Dwayne Johnson.
I think he kept running. I don't know where he is. He kept running, I think. Yeah, he kept running. He's below us. Want me to hit him?
No, I got him. Hold on, I got it
You
handled.
sure? Are you sure?
Yeah. I got it handled, don't worry.
Okay. Is that peeking?
Hey, Shroud! Fuck yeah!
Got him or no?
Yeah.
Good. Alright.
Holy
This
fuck.
guy doesn't have a sniper suppressor though.
Yeah,
This wasn't
no.
the guy. That's the guy. That's the guy.
Okay, I'm healing.
I'm shooting him in the... I hit him. Alright, I hit him. Go get him.
Where is he?
He's in the blue northeast
I
55.
see him,
He's
I
hit.
see him.
He's got to heal.
I'm going in loud.
Okay. Right above this rock. Peek me. Yes. Yes, Mike.
Okay. We're good. He's got 2 suppressors. What do we do?
What? So,
Sniper
what does he have?
and AR.
Okay, you pick up the AR. You can trade, right? That's how that works?
Nah,
I'll just
fuck it.
use snipers.
I'm dedicated to the cause. This is my weapon of choice.
I have a Car 98 and a fucking AWM. Oh shit. Alright, I can drop this pistol, I guess.
Where the fuck I am?
Got 1 minute.
Oh my god.
What?
Alright, we have to do a one-eyed donation. I
Why?
mean, one-eyed dinner.
One-eyed donation.
we have to do it.
Why? What happened?
You're right, we have to do it.
So are we gonna tape some shit to our face? Or are we gonna do
I
it?
think so. I don't know. I'll
Okay,
figure
let's
it out.
chat. What's a crafty way to make an eye patch?
Wait, do you have boosters?
Yeah, I'm using them.
Last one?
No, I have 7.
Okay, could I see a guy running 50
Here, 3.
across the road.
We have 17 seconds.
He's hit.
Oh my god, there's 2 of them. One's higher up. Oh, you're insane.
He was chasing someone.
Cloth and tape. Do you have a tie? Lol. Never owned a tie in my life.
I have a tie. I see the guy higher.
Poke your eye out. Nice. Good one. A napkin?
Oh, I see this guy. I'm taking him out the game. 2 guys. Fuck. 2 of them are coming up.
Yeah, we'll just get to the zone and we can fuck them.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Right in their little...
I have to
glutes.
swap the suppressors though, like the sniper suppressor. Fuck.
Oh, just keep bombing.
I know, but like, I have the 4 times the. You're right. You're always right.
I know.
Oh, they're about to get fucked on. Peeking the ridge. I missed. Coming over to you.
Oh, I hit him like fucking 3 times. What's up, bitch?
That guy's down.
That guy's so low. I got him.
I'm low. God, I used a fucking shot on that too, and I hit him. We gotta conserve my shots here. There's a drop.
Fuck the
I got a
world.
headshot, Mike. I got a headshot. Should I get that helmet off that dude, the level 3 boy?
Yeah. Was he the close one or the far one?
Far
one's
one.
a little scary, but you could probably still get it.
I can get it. Hopefully, his boosters though.
Did you hear me shoot?
Yeah. No.
Nice.
Where the fuck
Yeah, no.
I am.
I should have grabbed that other 8 times, but whatever.
Oh my god, he's right in front of me. Oh,
I can't help you.
shit.
Just back up to us. We have the zone. Oh no. Is that a you?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you back?
Nope.
Fuck. Nice. Oh,
Okay, he was alone. He was alone. We're okay. I'm lucky everyone that I've killed so far has a level 1 vest. Because if you up it to 2, the amount of shots you need to hit is like fucking 6 more or something stupid.
yeah. Where?
I don't know, I'm just shooting things. Oh, I see a guy, 145 by that tree.
There's a lot of trees.
The 140, the tree next to... Right... I don't know, dude.
What?
The forked tree right closest to the road on the ridge, you know what I'm saying? I don't know.
Oh, that one. Yeah, that little ridge right there.
Yeah, yeah.
With the rock to the left of it.
Is that a... Yeah.
Okay, we gotta watch our fucking back. They could be in this barn. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Go check out the barn, the local talent.
Wait, can you stop playing alone?
Bro, I can't be
We're
of
about
use to you
to
anyway.
win. What do you... Okay. Okay, that guy downed somebody. Fine. If you're doing that, I'm doing this. I'm going off on my own.
No one's in here, we cool.
Good shot. I think
There's
someone's
some more
crossing the
ammo
road.
for me, dude. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Mike, I need you.
Coming. Say no more.
Oh, I missed. I just... You're fighting right in front of me, 115. 2v1.
I hit him once. He's running up the hill right in front of you. Literally,
Okay.
your hill.
Yep.
I'm coming to you.
I don't see him. I'm waiting. Hit. Close. Really close. On this ridge right in front of us. Dead. 2v2. Did you throw that
2v2.
later?
Yeah, that was me.
Or 2v1v1, whatever.
Where are these men?
They gotta be in the open.
What?
To the right more? Where are you shooting me from, my friend? Oh, he's at this rock in front of me. I see him. This close rock. 2 of them, I think. One's down.
Ow, dude.
Okay,
Hit
I'm moving
me.
right.
Where the fuck I am.
They're
Swag.
not in, I don't think.
Yeah, well, that guy's fucking down like a clown. Charlie Brown. In Funky Town. How does that miss? I hit his backpack. Okay. Yeah.
In a place.
Down. Reloading.
GG.
Guy's healing at the rock.
Wait, the rock where they's downed at? Oh, shit.
No. Wait, what? I thought he was at... He's
I
spamming
don't-
meds at the big rock, I think. Yeah, big rock. Big rock spamming meds. Literally spamming meds at the big rock. 100%.
Okay.
There he goes.